Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up two-factor authentication for your NameCheap account. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on a desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account and then select profile. Now get on your left side, scroll down till the last, select security. Now select this manage button right here. Now scroll down and choose one of these options. I will go with this one. So you will need to select on this enable button. Now enter the NameCheap password. Now select on continue button. Now you will need to scan this QR code with your app in your mobile phone. So after scanning this QR code with your mobile application, now you will need to scroll down and enter the 6-digit code that will appear in your mobile application and enter it right here and then select on this finish button. And that's how you guys have successfully started your two-factor authentication of your NameCheap account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.